afternoon everyone in the beautiful Lagos. So today morning I woke up very early. Then I had to go to the bus station in Lisbon to catch the bus to come to Lagos. The bus took around 3.5 hours, but we had one stop. We arrived to the bus station here in Lagos, and from there I managed to walk to the accommodation. I will show you the accommodation because I think it's so beautiful and I really like the design, and they have a heated pool too, so later on I am going to enjoy the pool. But now you can see that the weather is very beautiful. It's sunny and it's quite warm, so I feel like, this would be spring in Hungary. So I am walking to the beach to make some pictures. This is the part which I'm not going to tell my mom, because in order to get there where I took the pictures, you have to go down on this road. I mean, like, I don't think that this is an official road. I think it's just like where people are going, and you have to be very careful, okay, so not to trip, because this is dangerous. But honestly, the view is so beautiful and it's worth it.